Hello friends, today I will tell you about one interesting story. I'm a person who loves the TECHNODOM store very much and am its regular buyer. Many of the things I needed at home I took from TECHNODOM. I liked everything because the quality was good and comfortable, but today there is a big problem.
This time I bought a washing machine. I came in a hurry and chose a washing machine. I didn't check everything because I trust you. I brought it home and turned it on. But smoke came out of the washing machine. I got scared and turned off the switch.
After seeing the problem, I immediately turned to TECHNODOM. I explained what happened to the consultant, the cashier, but they were rude to me. Your employees don't know how to work with the client. I was very upset. In connection with this problem, I asked you to return my money.
After the letter of complaint, they returned the money to me. That's how the problem was solved.